Me and Josh just worked all morning. Installed upper control arm on the rear and front.
Perfect pivot.
And was able to fit out these Meisters. Go check out his video if you want to see this scientist. Oh, here's the egg white. Hey, egg white. What's up?
How are you? Good. Damn, she looks good.
Well, we got Fitment.
She looks good.
Never ends. Scientists never have an answer.
Don't look at me. I don't got no answers for that. The answer is go a little bit higher or else your car's gonna break. That's the answer.
Almost. Always almost.
Thank you, sir. A bit easier. So just drop it hard.
Noise. Oh yeah, me and Josh are matching now, kinda. Same fitment.
Yeah. Mud. Look, tell a man no trouble. I don't want beef, man. I just want vibes. Big man like me, no need for the telephone hype. I got too much getting online. One rule, then dead I'm on site. Wrong move, I bet they gon' ride.
Let's go take a roller. Matching fitment.
Big stick inside, no losing. Better watch out for the snake and Judas. Don't ask them who this is. I bet they know what I'm moving in. I bet I show it into a dim. How you hate and then lose again?
While Josh finished his car, we gonna go test drive and get some rollers.
Get them on sight now, let them on light. That way they know I'm righteous. Look at my life, I'm living alright. I'm nice, you know I'm alright. Cause looking like Christ, no need for the hype or fight or telephone vipers. No need for the telephone vipers. No need for the liars. I don't watch your moves or priors. I got much to do, I'm biased. Big bosses move in silence, watch it. No need for the liars. I don't watch your moves or priors. I got much to do, I'm biased. Big bosses move in silence. Yeah, me, I'm moving quiet. Ask me, I need me an island. New watches, perfect timing. No need for the surface shining. Ask me, I need me a few. I need me an island. I'm keeping it true. The man, I'm a wild, I'm keeping it cool. No need for the telephone hype from you. Yeah, tell a man no trouble. I don't want beef, man. I just want vibes. Big man like me, no need for the telephone hype. I got too much getting online. One rule, then I'm on side.
This is so good. I'm so hyped.
We're like exact. Yours are like 5 mil lower.
We were just talking about how, like, well, one day we're gonna have our cars slammed and fitted.
Yeah, we did it already.
We did it. We're done. For sale.
For sale. 80 bands. Well, made it to up garage. You know who sold that? You know me?
That was you?
Yeah.
Kota's, of course.
This is the trash I had. Sold it last week.
Put these on your bike, Kota. The clown bicycle? Yeah, just put this on your clown bike.
Some nice exhaust.
Why do they sell these?
Look. Carbon canard? Oh, let's see if there's. You need some stiffer springs?
Oh man, I got springs.
You need this. Should I put this on my 34?
No, hell no.
More downforce? That seems so cheap. What is this? That seemed really cheap. Why? $200?
Some bunk ass big brakes.
Is that
They're covers.
Oh, covers. What the?
You got juked. You got juked. $200 for covers, bro.
Well, we're out of Up Garage. I got mini jack stands at Up Garage. And Josh just bought the GTR, the back lamp. So GTTs are all clear and GTR style. GTR came with red on one side. But we're at, it's like a Home Depot, buying a 2x4. I have a 265 on this tire, but I want to stretch it. I have 245 tires, but I tried to put it on. Couldn't pop the bead on, so I gotta use 2x4 to stretch it already before I mount it. So that's why I'm here to buy a 2x4. This guy is just too high.
It looks good.
You can't just stay. Just stay with your car. Well, so found this 2x4. Gotta buy it.
What are you doing with that?
Gotta cut it and stretch my tire. Stretch it and shove it in. Let's go. Hopefully it fits in my 34 though, without scratching my interior. So it's longer than me. So this is like 7 foot, yeah? I'm like 6 foot.
6 tall king. He's 6 foot.
Oh, Josh is about to spend more money.
Oh, not more tools. Is this cheap?
Yeah.
250?
Fire. He's gonna be a carpenter.
Yeah. He's just gonna make houses out of wood. Sticks.
Back on the jack stands. Just kidding. We had to adjust camber a little bit because one side was hitting the fender. Well, I gonna cut 2x4 this thing. It's like 12 at night. My neighbor loves me.
You don't have neighbors, Kota.
I got no neighbors. So this is what I'm doing. Hope this works. If it doesn't, I'll be pissed.
It's gonna be cold.
And I'm over here, Filipino car wash.
Yeah. You already know. Microfiber and
Oh, it looks clean though.
it's clean. All you need is
Hey, don't wash my car.
a white paint job and a microfiber.
Don't do it if you have a black paint.
I don't recommend this. In fact, any paint, I don't recommend this, but it's good.
Yeah, car looks good. Ow! Ow! Just hit the garage door. My back of my head. Hard. Well, here it is. I never done this, but I saw it online. Hopefully it worked. We'll see. I got 2x4s and cut it up and stretching the tire, forming it so it's easier to pop bees. Yes, sir. So if you're trying to stretch gnarly, you might wanna.
You need to tell them that you don't have sun If you don't have sunlight, you got to do that. But if you have sunlight, you can leave your tires out all day in the sun.
But it still doesn't
No.
lower than Fat Meister's on. We shove it in. Don't say you can't fit your wheel. You just gotta shove it in. Right. Shove it in.
Make it fit.
Make it fit any size. Harder.
Harder, Johnny.
Chill, daddy.
First of all, it's Daddy Chill.
Oh, yeah. Daddy chill.
Yeah, I think it's the same height now.
Can you do it again? I wasn't filming here.
Yeah, it's the same height now.
Can you do it again? I wasn't filming
Do
here.
it.
I think it's the same height now.
Dude,
Dude, it's clear. It clears now.
Yeah, we're good. I can put 2 kids in the back, no problem.
Plus your grandma. Plus your grandma.
Alright, it's dialed now.
Cheers.
Johnny tested.
And after you clean your wheels, clean your car, yeah?
Oh, good morning. Another snowboarding trip. This time, taking my little brother, but we got 2 cars. We're taking Josh and Leah and Leah's cousin, and so 6 of us gonna go. I'm letting them use one of my Mark II since it has a snow tire on it. Good morning. Zero. Alright. First time snowboarding in Japan, huh?
Yeah, dude. First time snowboarding ever. I've actually never. I'm just kidding.
Oh,
Get out of here with my freaking.
sick ass rent car.
Check my boots. I got it.
Or even got snow boots?
Dude, check. I got these.
That's how you're gonna snowboard, yeah?
Yeah, I got these at what's it called?
Book off?
Auto Salon.
Oh,
Of all places. Yeah,
Alright.
boys.
We're getting close to the ski resort. Look at these them thick walls. That's a lot taller than last time I was here. Alright, we're ready to go. Go up the mountain. I'll film you. So now, fogged out, we snowboard like 3 runs and then eating lunch now. It's pretty bad condition, but we're enjoying it.
Yeah, I'm having fun.
Fat katsukari. Holy, we're in heaven. Can't see shit. Done for the day. Heading back to hotel. Even the bad weather, we had fun. We're gonna go eat
Tomorrow, man.
and drink, getting in the onsen. Tonight's dinner. Everyone's eating, drinking. Oh yeah, let's eat.
And not drink coffee.
Ngày có ngày cả không?
Morning,
Good morning.
we're watching
Snowplow.
snowplow. Oh,
You missed it. It was freaking.
I know, it was blowing over there.
Josh said he wants to go there and get hit
Catch
by
him.
all the rocks.
Yeah, right there. Feels so good. He like starts blasting rocks.
You need to go sleep.
No, I'm gonna go out there.
Oh. Looked like it snowed last night a little bit. Gonna go different mountain, but
Dip in the mountain.
dip in the mountain?
Yeah.
Okay, we out of here. It actually snowed last night, like inch or so. ski resort is
Way better.
way cool. And perfect weather, sun's out, snowed last night, and perfect condition.
Perfect.
Perfect. Perfect. That's Lino and Leah over there. Boy's gonna go all the way top of the mountain. Oh,
Why is my goggles all icy?
just face planting all day. This ski resort is fat. Just came to top of the mountain. The scenery is crazy. I bet video doesn't do justice, but we can see like miles and miles. Oh, this one's pretty steep. Nice. They got a cafeteria on top too.
Boys out there.
This is best condition anyone can ask for. Gnarly. Koji's just sending it. Pulling it off clean. This is crazy. Natural half pipe in the canyon. So fun.
I get a taxi again and launch in from here.
Like where the fat line is? I'm scared to do backside. I'm taking Nino to the highest point because scenery is just unreal. I wanted to show her. She doesn't want to go because it's advanced course, but I'm taking her because you need to see it. Kawaii. Take it out. Lunchtime on top of the mountain. View is insane. So there. Started snowing gnarly, but we're done for the day. It was a good day. Lino improved a lot. We all had fun. It was a great day. Snowing gnarly. Gotta get out of here.